Hi guys, my name is Din Quinto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Membership Madness. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Membership Madness works. Now, as a friendly reminder, the discount price for this digital product launch is limited time offer. So make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. Now, to get this discount price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also offering you my free bonuses, and we'll show you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye onto my bonus banner right over here, and we're gonna go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Membership Madness. Now, to put it briefly, Membership Madness is a training software platform that will let you use free to join membership sites to create a massive list. Now, this is training videos included with the detailed over-the-shoulder case studies from Dawood Islam's. Dawood Islam is actually the creator of this program, and one of his student named Darren Brown is actually the one who's been trying this out, and he's part of the case studies over here. And as far as case studies, that actually proves to you that this program works. And so you will learn how to create free to join membership sites that they can use to build their list, make upgrade sales on sign up, and also use to promote offers to earn affiliate commissions, all demonstrated in a case study. And this is not just to set up free membership site building, but also this is a program that will let you build your online marketing business. Now, this program will teach you how to use an autoresponder, and it's going to teach you how to build your email list and setting up your affiliate tools. There's a lot more to it than this program, than learning about how to join membership sites for free just to get massive list. Now, the benefits of Membership Madness is that you will learn how to access free membership sites just so you can create a list, and also learn the overall aspect of affiliate marketing. Now, this program is an all-in-one system that lets you learn how to start from scratch and build your way up to creating this business model. Now, Dawood Islam is this guy here. Now, this is him, by the way, and he's really great with online marketing, and he's got great products that he sells previously that are very good investments for any beginners and newbies out there. Now, this is as far as you can see here, these are video-based tutorials, so it's really easy to understand and follow along the training. And it has a lot of modules as well. So over here, these are modules that you can go through, and a lot for you to learn. So once you check it out, you will be amazed at how many content there is to offer for this program. Now, let's start from the beginning, and I'm gonna talk about the members area of Membership Madness. So over here, this is the overview welcome video of Dawood Islam Membership Madness. Then here at the bottom is the overview of Membership Madness with let me see here, with Darren Brown. And then over here is here where you can get more access to the next steps of this modules. Now, it's very important that you start from the top and work your way down. So these videos have been created for you to not skip anything or fast forward and so on, is because it's really important that you're gonna go through each of the modules by not skipping, by not fast forwarding it, so you'll be able to learn how this works so that you will become successful with this. And so as you can see here, when you play this video, Actually, well, some of the videos, I mean, sorry for misleading you a little bit there, but when I was playing this members area a while ago, I couldn't fast forward it, but I think it's somewhere right over here that I couldn't fast forward it. So, but then let's forget that. But here is the free option and the paid option of having your membership site as soon as you watch the top overview of the videos here. So you could either do a free option, sign up, enroll in Elite List Club, or watch the important admin to affiliate. Then here is the paid or rent option, custom membership. Then over here is the profile and autoresponder code and setup. So right over here is again a video of the Elite List Club for the autoresponder code. And you click on that and it's going to move on to the next one, which is the URL link setup. Here you can get access to banner hosting site and access to free group funnels. And then here is the access to perpetual income. Now here, when you click on that, is the founders bonus setup. So here is where you can access to post ads daily. So watch the video and then access to this so that you'll learn how this works. Then moving on to list building tips. Here is the access to viral affiliate site. So again, you watch the video prior to get the access to this viral affiliate site. Moving on to list techniques. So here again, you watch the video and here is where you can access the auto post site. Here is the autoresponder tips. So it's going to give you some tips on how to use the autoresponder the right way. And here is where you can access to downline builder. Over here is the setting up top solo ads. So once you play the video, it's going to give you information about the top solo ad sites that you can potentially check out. Here is where you can access to power station traffic and access to Darren's solo ads. So here next is the how to add credits to buy advertisements. So you play this video and make sure to pay attention so that you'll get an idea on how you can get credits to buy advertisements. And so here is where you can access the Viralizer, and here is the access coin payments for free. Now here is the extra help with setting up an ad plus tips. Now again, a video-based training is going to show you step-by-step on how to set up an ad plus, and here is where you can get access to Wizard Safe List. Moving on to how to redeem your bonuses and promo code here. Now here next is the affiliate tools and stats. Here is the referral stats specific requirements. Next would be the setting up your downline builder plus tips. And here is the how to edit your details. And then if you have any questions about this program, could be anything, or if you feel stuck on, if you feel like you just can't get past to this program, here is how you can contact support question and answers. So make sure you watch this so that you'll be able to learn how you can get to contact the support help. Because you're paying for this membership, it's really important for you to reach out to support if you have any questions about the program. And so really important, you must check this out so that you can get access to help if you have any questions. Then here is the access recommended upsells. Now here is with this great value upgrade, you get over 50 times mailer sites that you can use for free to promote your new membership sites and help to build your list. Using these mailers can easily 10 times the results you will get from the Membership Madness. So this is like the access for the upgrades of Membership Madness here that you can feel free to check out. Here is the vendor bonuses that the vendors are offering to you over here. And don't forget, I also offer you my free bonuses. So if you click the link down below in the description of this video, and if you decide to purchase from my link, you will get a free bonuses additional to this bonuses. So you will get this, and on top of that, you're gonna get bonuses from me as my way of saying thanks for taking the time to watch my review video. Here is the best not to be revealed way of building your email list with warm subscribers ready to buy right over here. And here is the ultimate list building tool for a price of a pizza, one time only, link 128, mailers on autopilot. And that's pretty much it. So that is all the content that you're going to be getting with Membership Madness. Now let's move on to my bonus page here. Oh, what happened? Let me just refresh that really quick. That was going crazy. Oh, it's doing it again. Okay, let me pause the video and then I'll be right back and figure out what happened to my bonus page. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Membership Madness, this is going to go live on September 9th. Now this is when you can click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Okay, so it's going to look like this. And if you scroll down, and right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description of my video. Just scroll down and click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, which you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. You can send me a message right there and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, and even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, is only going to be one-time price of $9.95. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So if you can check it out from my bonus page here, this is where you can check out all the available upgrades for Membership Madness. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades, because if you want to increase your chances of earning more money, then you're going to have to consider upgrading to whatever is available here for you to upgrade for the purchase of Membership Madness. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Membership Madness, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you for taking the time to watch my review videos. Now, after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. Now, make sure to click the link down below in the description of my review videos or in my YouTube About Me section. Then you can go ahead and follow me onto my Facebook page and then send me a message right there. Then I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $9.95 during the launch period of Membership Madness. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 12th. So make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $9.95 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Membership Madness review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video. Make sure to click the link down below to purchase Membership Madness at the discounted price. And also don't forget to check out my bonuses that are available for you to check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.